Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience using the product, are available in the description below. Welcome to my review of Koofr Cloud Storage. Koofr presents a simple, privacy-focused cloud storage solution tailored for individuals and small teams prioritizing streamlined file management and secure storage. Its standout features include an intuitive interface, competitive pricing, and the unique capability of integrating with other cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. This interoperability makes Koofr a flexible option for managing files scattered across multiple accounts. Koofr offers a range of plans, from a free account providing 10 GB of storage to scalable paid options designed to meet diverse user requirements. A key feature is its unified cloud access tool. This tool consolidates your various cloud storage accounts into a single dashboard, enabling you to search, organize, and transfer files between platforms seamlessly, without the need to constantly switch apps. This centralized control saves valuable time and simplifies the often complex task of managing digital assets. Privacy and security are central to Koofr's philosophy. Based in the EU, Koofr adheres to GDPR standards, ensuring your data is stored and processed securely. Importantly, and unlike many competitors, Koofr does not analyze your files or data for advertising purposes, providing peace of mind for privacy-conscious users. Files are encrypted during transfer, and although Koofr doesn't offer end-to-end encryption, its strong commitment to robust privacy policies makes it a dependable choice for storing non-sensitive data. Koofr's accessibility is enhanced by its availability across various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The mobile apps include automatic photo backup, a convenient feature for freeing up valuable phone storage. Furthermore, Koofr supports WebDAV, facilitating integration with third-party tools and enabling network drive mapping. Koofr also includes file versioning, allowing you to retrieve previous versions if necessary, and a built-in secure file sharing tool complete with password protection and expiration dates. In summary, Koofr is an excellent option for those seeking straightforward, secure cloud storage combined with the ability to manage multiple cloud accounts from one central location. Its privacy-focused approach makes it particularly attractive for individuals and small teams with less demanding collaborative needs. Explore the various plans and features by checking out the links provided in the description below.